Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Acer Iconia A10 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. Let's tap, and here in this left section scroll to find the system. Now let's tap on languages at the top and enter system languages. So this is the list of all currently applied languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which you can choose. So simply find yours and tap on it. And let me choose maybe Greek. Just tap on it, choose the region if you can, if you've got the one to which you can choose. And as you can see, the language has been immediately applied to this list. However, the English is the main one. So all we have to do right now is to simply reorder the languages and set the desired one at the very top. So let's tap on it and hold it, and now drag it to the first position. Your device will ask you if you want to change it, so just tap on change. And as you can see, from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Of course, we can do it again. Tap on it and hold it and drag it to the first position. Change. And we just changed it. Of course, if you want to, you can remove the languages from this list. 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark the language and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove. And we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.